I'm John Fierst, reference librarian at the Clarke Historical Library. What I have in front of me is a letter written by Maria Seymour to her sister Angie Bingham. It's a good introduction to a great collection we have here called the Bingham Family Correspondence. What's wonderful about the Bingham Collection is it provides insight into life at Sault Ste Marie in that early territorial period. And you get these descriptions of the Sioux that you're not going to find anywhere else. Abel Bingham, Maria's father, was a Baptist minister, and he was assigned to the Sault Ste Marie area in the 1820s, and he stayed there until 1855. His entire family came with him, about 5 girls, and his wife, Hannah Bingham. The letter itself specifically is really a delightful letter. Angie Bingham, who Maria is writing to, has left the Sioux that winter. The correspondence is her telling about Christmas at the Sioux at the time.
We had a table ready set. Roast turkey, boiled ham, meat pie, mince pies, cakes, jellies, and coffee. Very few kept open houses this day. I have made Mother a gift of a black merino sack trimmed like ours, and also a cap I persuaded Father to purchase at Mr. Lyon, a very pretty one. I am piecing a star quilt like Emily's, turkey, red and buff. It'll be very handsome. After I finish, I shall commence another. Oak leaf pattern, one that Anne gave me. I mean to keep busy this winter, at all events.
She also talks about serious issues too. She describes something that happened 2 weeks prior to her writing. She said,
about 2 weeks ago, there's a boat found this side of Whiskey's Bay, frozen into the ice. It appeared to have been driven on shore. After cutting away the ice, 2 men were found in it, and ascertained that they were from Clarke River. The boat was a large one with 6 oars and belonged to one of the men that was found. It is supposed that there were others that perished in some way. We know not how, for it seems improbable that 2 men should start from Clarke River to come to the Sioux in so large a boat, and at this season of the year.
The Bingham papers come not just with papers, there's a lot of material items as well. There are pictures, daguerreotypes. In front of me I've got this small vest that was made by Hannah Brown Bingham herself for a little boy 2 years old. The cloth of the back was woven by her. It's just an idea of how diverse this collection is.